All right.
Didn't it work before?
This is gonna be like round. Well, this is gonna be the new one. Yeah. Yeah, but it didn't work too well with the motor. All right, so I made some revisions. I cut the bottom out of this boat because it had too many holes. I can almost guarantee you it's gonna take on water, but at least it'll, I don't know, give me somewhere to sit. I made that as a 2x4. That's attached underneath. And goes onto that, which I'm going to use for the motor to stay on. And then again, I got a weed whacker with a trolling blade. I think this is going to be a little more aerodynamic than my last one because I kind of burned the motor out because it was pushing too hard. So let's see.